If it wasn't for your prompting, I would have just assumed, no way I would have gotten anything. So I wanted to thank you.
No, we appreciate you growling a problem with us here.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Always do your best, but don't overdo. When you overdo, you deplete your body and you go against yourself, and it will take longer to accomplish your goal. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 105. Nasdaq is up 18. S&P's down 4.5. Gold contract down $10, trading $18.55 an ounce. Silver down 31 cents, $25.53 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 88 cents, $52.25 a barrel. Notes and bonds. The 10-year up 4 ticks, 137.01. The 30-year up 14 ticks at 168.28 in King Dollar. King Dollar's up 109 ticks, trading 90.240. The Euro's at 121. The Yen is at 103.84, and the British Pound's at 136 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? Well, when you woke up this morning, folks, you had the S&Ps down 28 bucks, which is nothing, by the way. Bottom line, I didn't think it would hold. Sure enough, bottom line, what you have out here, you have rejection of lower price with a big contraction of volume. We're going to go after these highs again next week once again. You had the SPY. SPY traded down to 381. You have 32 million shares traded. Well, Wednesday we were going into, not that Wednesday was a lot, but the bottom line is 61 million shares. Bottom line, you can see you get half the share volume, rejected lower price, higher prices coming at us. NDX 100, same type of setup inside the 3Qs. 3Qs came down to 324, rejected 324, you're at 326, and the Qs are even stronger. So the high of Wednesday was 324.74. Well, we came down to 324.71 and rejected that level. That's coming down to the highs of the bar and rejecting it. When you come down to the highs of the bar, the bottom line, folks, is that, and with lighter volume, you're going higher price. And in particular, you got Microsoft. Microsoft's coming out with those numbers next week. Apple's coming out. Microsoft's moving. You're up 217 right now. You're up. That's only $2. You're up like 4. Microsoft's going to go after its high. The high out there. What do we got? 220. 1 second. I'm going to get new glasses next week, folks. 232. Right now you're at 227. Apple's coming out with. Let's see what day Microsoft is coming out. So Microsoft is coming out on the 26th. So we come back to work on the 23rd, 4th, the 25th. So that's going to be Tuesday. Apple. We go take a look at Apple. Same type of setup inside Apple. Apple's up $2 today. Apple's coming out the 27th. So that's the end of the week. And, Apple's pushing also into its high. The high in Apple is 139.67. The bottom line, we're already hit 139.19. That's going to whack that baby. We'll see what ends up happening once it does do it. Gold contract traded the same way as the indices traded, meaning that we came down to a sign of strength. You rejected that low. You had lighter volume. Gold contract today got down to 1836.30. We're at 1854. You've done 240,000 contracts. You were going into 300 and something thousand, as well as, let's see, let's get the exact numbers for you. So we were going into 332 as well as 274, and you're at 240. You got a rejection of lower price. Notes and bonds. Now, the intriguing thing, no doubt, is the 10-year note, man. The bottom line is that thing's still going higher. The 30-year is now trying to get back inside its higher range. You're a point and approximately 5 ticks away from that, not even 5 ticks. Right now, the 30-year, we are at 168.28. 170 is the number, man. You get back inside, it's actually 171. You can say, you can go between 170, 22. 171 that's the number I'm going to use. Yeah, to get back inside the higher range. So this does have a couple more points to get up and into that area. King dollar. What do you have with King dollar? King dollar just can't hold price, folks. Bottom line, you're up $1.18 right now. You're at 90.248. Not much traction there. Now, check this out. This is pretty intense. And I can tell you something, folks. You don't want to go against retail traders. Okay, this is going to be a story in an incredible way. So GameStop. GameStop, folks, has a 144% short position in it. 141 today. GameStop, okay, got halted 4 separate times today because of volatility spikes. GameStop went from $42 up to $76, okay? This stock in 2 weeks, well, actually 5 and 7 trading days has gone from $29 up to $76. Now, here's the deal on GameStop, okay? Bottom line is that you get Citron out there who, bright guy. He's been shot in a lot of stocks, made people a lot of money. He's on one side of the trade. Now you got Reddit on the other side of the trade. And Reddit, folks, is a chat room, a trading chat room. Bottom line, you don't, I can tell you something. Large equities are going to understand that you, in this day and age, okay, you don't want to go against retail traders. You don't want to go against the Robin Hoods. You don't want to go against the Redders. The reason being is that they have been consistently running stocks, and it's a lot easier when you have 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 people at a time basically running a stock. And that's exactly what you have out here. So this is like a battle extraordinaire, and you can see that the retail traders in this have won at this particular point. Because the bottom line is that I haven't seen something like this actually in about 20 years. That this has happened, but I can tell you, in the aspect of a retail trader versus a company. Retail traders have always been a lot more powerful than people think. In fact, when Rob McEwen was in a battle, my God, this is almost like 20 years ago, for one of the companies that someone was trying to take over, I talked with him, and I knew that the retail trader was on his side. And guess what? The retail trader won. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.